p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lauderdale, Meridian, Quitman, Meridian Station, Preston, Stringer, Neshoba, Bay Springs, Marion, DeKalb, Stonewall, Liberty, Heidelberg, Nellyburg, Savoy, Suquehanna, Meehan, Zero, Sable and Martin. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.